We're at Ancientwood shop this afternoon. We're having a quick look at a table we've done for a Chinese tea room. An absolutely phenomenal piece out of MegaCurl. Watch the light play in the grain of this piece. It is truly exceptional grain in this piece. There's not much like it in the world other than this. 50,000-year-old Ancient Kauri wood. Grain pattern is MegaCurl, and it is sweet. It's on its way to a residence to be used as a table in a Chinese tea room. It's got a high gloss finish and some very intense grain. We're at www.ancientwood.com. Thank you for having a look today.